up people, welcome to my YouTube channel Shikes Mwangi. I forgot guys to do an intro, but we will go on as I do my intro. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back and thank you so much for tuning in.
So guys, I have remember the other video that I did on my green groceries and my shopping haul. I told you guys, if you want to survive in this Nairobi, live on a budget. So ensure that everything that you buy on a wholesale shop. Ensure that everything that you buy in bulk if you have the money. So even though hata kama uko na pesa kidogo, you can also do something bulky kidogo. So stay tuned till the end. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the subscribers. Nawapenda sana. So guys, let's grow together. I am back. I've been away, but sasa nimerudi. So let me show you. Watch till the end. Today you're spending the day with me. Yes. Guys, on our today's green groceries, I want to show you on what I made on my green groceries. So guys, on the nyanyas zimeanguka kabisa bei. So for this one this one and this one zilikuwa zinatoka 3 to 10 bob. You see how manyanya ni makubwa kubwa. For the onions, a kilo was going for 50 bob, so bado haijapanda, nikabai kilo 2.5. Yes, I also bought the tumaembe. Utu tunakuwa tutamu, but sasa kama maembe inaisha, so saizi tuko msimu wa pears. I also bought the avocados. This one, it was going for 10 bob and it was so big. So big. I also bought our hohos. Guys, where are you? Unafanya wapi nini? Guys, hey, the carrots zimepanda. They are so expensive. So for me, I decided to substitute my carrots with my hohos. They were going 3 for 10 bob. You see how big they are? Guys, if you need a plug on where I go to soko to take this career, too easy, ndakwambia. I also bought the kienyeji greens. You see the tereres, the managus and na murenda. I also bought the bananas. So that is what I got for the green groceries. Yes, bananas were going for 4 for 20 bob. Yes. So guys, that is what I got to the market. Let me show you what I got to the supermarket. Yes, that is how we are surviving in Nairobi. The cost of living is so high. So utuombe sana. I also got this one, the ginger and the saumu. Yes, acha nionyeshe za supermarket.
Guys, that is how I organized my fridge. So if you want a fridge organization video, comment down in the description box.
So guys, I have already shown you on what I bought on the market. So let me show you on what I bought in the supermarket. So guys, this is what I got in the supermarket. Guys, take advantage of Naivas offers. Kuna hii kitu inaitwa kikombe kikapu kibonge. Yes, this is what I got in supermarket. Let's start here. Here I got 5 packets of ugari unga. I also bought 6 liters of cooking oil. All these were on offer. This is fresh fry, this is pika. I also bought 2 kgs of rice. Hii ni kutop up, niko na zingine. I also bought 2 kgs of sugar. I also bought this one. This is lemon. Yes, as you can see, but this one iko na majani, but this one it is green. It is an antioxidant lemon. I also bought this pure porridge flour. Guys, I also bought these smokies. Guys, hizi vitu zimepanda, tutaacha kuzikula. This one from Farmer's Choice. Oh, okay, wacha tumalizane na maunga. I also bought 2 packets of chapatis. I also bought myself this one, mouthwash guys. You see, when you treat mambo mingi. Yes. I also bought, hey, Royco cubes, they were on offer, you see, but nimeziweka hapa ndani. Yes, I also guys invested on my skincare routine products. I bought these 2 face towels. I also bought I think this one were discounts, these ones. Yes, if you want to see my skincare routine, comment down below in the description box. The toiletries, I bought this jumbo one. Yes, for the toiletries, this one jumbo toilet. I also bought this tropical, yes, ya kuweka kwa choo. Even this one. Yes, that is what I got for the supermarket. By the way, hii itanipeleka let's say 2 months or 3 months, but mafuta itaenda kama 5 months. So guys, that is what I'm telling you. Stay on a budget, buy things on a wholesale shop, especially the mafutas and this one and the unga. Yes. Yeah, I also forget to show you the mayonnaise. I bought this mayonnaise, creamy classic mayonnaise. I got the Choco Primo and Zesta. Yes, that is what I got to the supermarket for the month. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching my today's video. Until next